Is it working? Yeah, I think it's working. Hey guys, and well, hello there. I finally picked up this, I guess it's like a selfie stick kind of thing where I can sort of like attach to the part of the van here, and it makes it much steadier, and you'll probably notice it's much better. It's not jiggling like that. Because I know somebody had commented about it, and I mentioned in a previous video where I kept saying, yeah, don't worry, I'm gonna get a selfie stick so that way you're not jiggling about when you're watching this video. So hopefully it's gonna be better, and hope you guys kind of appreciate it. If you do appreciate it, let me know, okay? That kind of stuff kind of encourages me to keep moving forward. This is my van build. It's in a tiny cabin. It's a 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan. I built it out 3 reasons. See that? 3 reasons. The first reason was, I wanted a place to crash out whenever, wherever I wanted to. There's something really cool about being able to drive anywhere, whether it's in the city, whether it's out camping up north. Pull up anywhere and just chill out and just relax. Take your time. That's really cool to me. And if it's cool to you, then maybe you might find something interesting about this particular channel. The second reason, which is a really close to the first, it's tied to it, is I do these things called OCR races, which stands for Optical Character Recognition Not. It actually stands for Obstacle Course Racing. If you're a computer guy, if you're a computer nerd, OCR, the moment they hear that, oh, Optical Character Recognition. No, it's not that. It's OCR, Obstacle Course Racing, which is essentially, there's obstacles such as bucket carry, spear throw, fire jump, rope climb, wall climb, climbs, and carries. It's physically strenuous and requires a lot of training, and most of it is running or walking or fast walking or hiking or some derivative of. Sometimes crawling and throwing up will also come into play, but that's not all of it all the time. But it's difficult, and the one that I do mostly is Spartan races, and I've done Tough Mudder. Spartan race is the Spartan community is an amazing community, and I'm also finding out that the VanLife community is an amazing community, and I thought, hey, smush them together, because they kind of like for me, I can see the correlation. For me, I use this van as a crash out chill site after I've done a crazy 21 kilometer or running as much as I can up to 35 kilometers at one time. Not fast, but the fact that I was able to accomplish it. And afterwards, the last thing I want to do is drive home. I needed a place to crash out. I'm not a young guy. So I just crash right out and just yep, or take a nap. And then once I'm fully recovered somewhat, I drive home, or I can even just crash out somewhere else. That's the second reason. So the first reason was anywhere to crash out. Second reason, it actually helped my training a lot. It's made a huge difference, especially with COVID-19 being the way it is. Everything is just bizarro nowadays. Everyone's got an opinion on it, but here's the reality. Can we all agree there are restrictions, and because of those restrictions, it changes the way we do things, or the way we actually get to places and hang out with people. And this ties up nicely with number 3. You know how nice it feels to have your own little kitchenette and cafe and a place to chill out wherever you want. Like when I get my coffee from whether it's Tim Hortons or Starbucks or No Bucks or whatever it might be, Bucks, right? I can bring it in here and I have a little camper van cafe happening here, and it's nice. It's really nice. It's really comfortable. And I do work full time, and you know what? I can't remember what my lunchroom looks like. Do you know why? Once I have lunch, once I have my break, I jump in here and I just close everything off, and I'm in my own little world. Just like that's a whole new world. So that's reason number 3. And as you can see, they're all kind of correlated to this little camper van, minivan camper conversion that I did, and it's really changed a lot of things. It's made things a lot better for me, not just how I do things, but just overall. There's being able to crash out somewhere and read a book, knowing that no one can find you, no one can really disturb you. it's a nice feeling, and you begin to realize how beautiful and how wonderful being alone is sometimes. So that being said, those are my main three reasons. So, and finally, one last thing, if you kind of like any of the stuff that I do, upvote it, okay? Not upload it, upvote it, but I guess you can upload it too. Like the video, comment. I love hearing comments. It does help me a lot. And if you've made it this far, you probably kind of think maybe this is somewhat interesting. And if you find it mildly interesting, please subscribe. I do try to post regularly, and I'm trying to get to a level where, it's something that that might even help me out later on as well. So I've got goals, I've got plans. I'm saving up. I'm hoping to bring you guys along on an epic road trip at some point in my life. I don't know when that's going to happen, but hopefully soon. But whatever the case may be, I really appreciate you visiting me, and the comments and the likes. It's really encouraging, and for the small group that's joined me so far, thank you very much, and welcome to my tiny cabin. Okay, have a great day, you guys. Take it easy. Bye-bye. And you know what? I hope you like the fact that it's not shaking. I know I do. I get to have my hands free. See that? Goodbye, guys.
And there you have it. Please support my channel by commenting and subscribing. It's free, and it can help you with your own tiny home build, as I will be giving out free tips and tricks on how you can make it happen. And if you believe someone else may benefit, please share the video of my curated playlist. Just making that coffee, boiling that water. I love it.